Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can send money through Xoom using PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, first thing first, open up your PayPal app and then log into your PayPal account. Then open up your Xoom PayPal service app, then tap on login or sign up, and then go to the login with PayPal and log in over here by adding the email of your PayPal account and the password as well. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna simply accept the user's agreement. Confirm that a Xoom account will be created for you aka the verifying yourself. Then all you gotta do is go to the section of sending money and enter the amount you would like to send. Choose the currency and the recipient's information. That will vary according to the receiving method that you have chosen. Provide the information, provide the payment method as well, and review the information. Tap on send money and you're good to go. That's basically how you do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.